Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we look at daily practice worksheets for math for my son who is 6 years old. All these worksheets are handmade and can be made by anyone. These worksheets can work for age group around 4 to 6 years old. So here we have quite a few math worksheets that we do with him. So I will divide this video into a two-part video. Also, I want to mention that we don't do all the worksheets together for every single day. It's just divided according to his interest or the topic that they are working at school. In today's video, the first worksheet that we look at is before, after and between numbers. The second worksheet is arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. The next two worksheets are about comparing numbers, that is big, small and equal numbers. The next worksheet is counting and number names. The next two worksheets is about number bonds using the 5 frame. The next worksheet is again number bonds using the part whole method. And the last worksheet is a multi-purpose worksheet which we use for skip counting. So here the first worksheet is before, after and between numbers. Here I wrote some random numbers between 1 to 50. The first one is 2 and he has to write the before and after number. The second one is 14 and 16 and he has to write what comes between them. My son knows his before, after and between numbers very well. But when we start our day, we always start with an easy worksheet which builds up his interest and gives him the patience and excitement to work on the difficult ones. In this worksheet, we work on number order or number sequence, which is very important for developing a good number sense. The next worksheet we use for ascending or descending numbers, which are also known as arranging them from lower value to higher value or higher value to lower value. For example, in ascending order 50, 39, 48, the first number would be 39, 48 and then 50. The next one we take is 25, 38 and 42. So in ascending order it will be 25, 38, 42. As mentioned earlier, ascending order means to arrange numbers in increasing order, that is from smallest to the largest value. If your kids find this difficult, try using a number line and start with a very low value, that is from 1 to 10. When they really understand the concept, you can increase the numbers. In today's video, all the sheets that I have worked on is just from numbers 1 to 50. Was helped by my son. This is a great advantage of making these handmade worksheets. It is an activity in itself if kids are involved. They really look forward to work on these subjects because they have helped in some way or the other, which gives a sense of pride and a sense of responsibility that they have to work on it. The next worksheet is about comparing numbers. In this, we work on more than, less than and equal to sign. I told him that the symbol of more than and less than is like a crocodile's mouth and the mouth always opens towards the big number. For example, 18 is a bigger number than 17, so the mouth opens towards 18 and so on. Comparing numbers is another super important math skills that our kids must know. Some math terms which rely on knowing these skills include more than, less than and equal to. Comparing numbers require a clear understanding of place value, which kids will develop as they are exposed to other skills later on. The next worksheet is also about comparing numbers, but here I have given him a number and a sign, and he has to fill in the blank looking at the sign, that if he has to put a higher number there or a lower number there. So for example 7, so if the sign is of a higher number or a lower number. Ascending and descending order, comparing numbers, arranging the numbers in the right order. All these skills help our kids develop a great number sense and build a solid math foundation. Number sense is the ability for a kid to recognize a number, its value, and its relationship with other numbers. He did this worksheet exceedingly well, and I was really surprised at the choice of numbers that he added in front of the sign. This shows his number sense and his understanding of this concept. The next worksheet is about counting numbers and adding the number words. Here he has to count the objects, write the number in the box, and write the number words for it. For example, the first is 9 circles, so he has to write 9 and write the correct number word for it. Part of math, numbers and math literacy is learning to spell and write number words. Number words fall under the category of sight words, hence they have to be memorized by sight. The objective of these worksheet is to reinforce the spelling of number words, counting and writing numbers. I have made an entire video about worksheets regarding number names or number words. I'll be sure to link that down in the description box. The next two worksheets are about number bonds. Number bonds up to 10 using the 10 frames. My son is an absolute visual learner, that is why I have made these 10 frames for him to understand the concept well. Here I have given him a number and he has to see another number that makes up to 10. For example, 5 plus what will become 10. A number bond is a simple addition of two numbers that add up to the given sum. In this case is 10. Number bond provide a clear picture of relationship between two numbers which will support with addition, subtraction and mental math. It becomes an essential part of mental problem solving strategies. The next worksheet is about number bonds using the part-whole method. Here I have given the whole number, that is 10, and given a part of the number which is 6, and he has to find out another part that makes the number 10. For example, 8 plus what makes 10, that is 8, 2 makes 10, that is part and whole. When teaching number bonds, I refer to the numbers as best friends. So for example, 7 and 3 are best friends. It helps him to recognize the importance of the relationship between the two numbers, and it gets very easy to do the mental math. And the last worksheet for today is our reusable multi-purpose worksheet. We use this worksheet for missing numbers, arranging the numbers in the right order, or even skip counting. So today we'll look at skip counting from 2 and skip counting by 5. Skip counting by 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, and 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Skip counting increases their understanding of numbers. It also increases the understanding of the pattern of numbers. It helps in learning the basics before they start multiplication and division. So for example, if the kids learn skip counting well, so when they have to do 12 plus 4, they will not count 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, but they would do 12, 14 and 16. I have made an entire video of skip counting and the importance of skip counting. I'll be sure to link that down in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.